Welcome to beautiful Las Vegas on a very chilly morning. This is the Staintune Symphony of Destruction. This is my new buddy Alan. He's the new owner of my 93 Paso. When he bought it, I sent him home with 11 pounds of pressure in the front tire, and then the kickstand immediately snapped off. Pro tip, don't buy a bike from me.
Yeah, but other than that, the thing runs awesome and the Staintunes sound excellent.
I'm glad you like it. I love that bike.
Cool.
Both these bikes have a Staintune exhaust system, so we're going to have a little sound off. Welcome to the Staintune Symphony of Destruction.
Let's get it on.
Both these beautiful bikes have 90 horse. They're V Twins. They're very much belong together. I love this combo. The 93 Ducati Paso is water-cooled V Twin, fuel injected. The 1996 Moto Guzzi is carbureted and it's air-cooled. Let's see what they sound like. God, that's a good sounding bike.
It's a good sounding bike.
That bike sounds awesome. I miss that sound. I love that sound. Man, that bike sounds good.
We check out the other one.
Fire it up.
Sounds neat. That's a sweet sounding bike.
Man, we pre-warmed them up and it still seems a little cold-blooded.
It sounded pretty good there.
All right, I think we're ready for a little more power. What do you think?
More power?
More power.
All right. That's a good one.
All right, I want my bike back.
All right.
I want it back.
I don't know. I'm attached to it now.
Man, that sounds good. Oh, I forgot how good that bike sounds.
All right.
Whenever you're ready on the Guzzi.
All right. More power on the Guzzi.
More power.
Sounds good. Whoa.
Alan, you think we should hear them both at the same time?
I think we should.
I think we should hear them both at the same time.
All right. We'll fire them up. Think we can do it? That's pretty good. You're gonna scare the neighbors around here.
River Bottom Nightmare Band!
That was nuts.
Oh,
Let's turn them off before we break something.
all right.
That was fun. Oh my God. That was the Staintune Symphony of Destruction. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I'm glad we didn't break anything.
That was crazy.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for bringing the bike over, man, but it kills me. I love that bike.
It's super fun.
Please enjoy it.
The Symphony of Destruction.
Let's fire up this one. There we go.
Both these beautiful bikes have 90 horsepower. The
Oh, you're
Ducati-
leaking. You're leaking.
It's just pouring out. Oh God.
Uh-oh. Fuel's coming out. Do you think it'll start on fire?
I don't know. It's not insured. It's not plated. It's not anything.
We don't have
I got fire extinguishers right there. Like I'll be ready.
Oh,
if something
okay.
happens.